Have you ever prayed before for something to God and you didn't get what you want? Well, it's probably because everything that you've been taught about prayer is wrong. I want to show you how to communicate with the universal intelligence to get everything that you want. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and let's dive right into the video. So there's two ways to pray. One is separate from God and one is in communion with God. First, God, call it whatever you want to call it. Alan Watts says you don't get wet by the word water, whether it's the universe, spirit, energy, love, nature, God, whatever word it is, you can use that word. Now, here's how most people pray. They think of God like a vending machine in the sky. Okay, come on God, I know, I haven't talked to you lately. Could you fix me? Could you fix my bank account? Please, please, God, please. Come on, I really want to meet my soulmate, please. God, I've been praying for a week. The hell? Come on, dude. Where are you? Are you real? That's how most people pray. They think of God like a vending machine, and they should plead for what they want. They should, come on, fix me, I've got health problems, fix me. Come on, fix me. The other way is in communion with God, is to realize that you're an extension of it. In the same way that the wave is an individualization of the ocean, you are an individualization of God. In the same way that the wave is connected to the ocean, you are an extension of God. Now, the second way to pray is in communion with. It's like, God, universe, I'm with you now, and I thank you for all the abundance in this world. I thank you for all the well-being in this world, and I'm thankful that we live in a world of financial prosperity. I'm thankful that new opportunities are coming to me that are alleviating all of my debts and allowing me to live in my dream home. That would be an example of a financial one, health one. God, I'm so thankful that you gave me the opportunity to have the illness that I've had, and I've learned so much from it, and I'm here with you, connected to the truth of all life, and the truth of all life is well-being, and I'm thankful for that. Do you notice the difference between the two of those? One is, I'm separate from this thing and I hope that it will smile upon me and give me good favor and allow me to get what I want. It's coming from need, it's coming from lack, and more specifically, it's coming from separation. Now, it's very important to understand that everything in this physical universe, whether it's the tree or that person you hate or the money you want or the health you want, it's all a different individualization of God, of the universe. It's all a different wave on the ocean. We're all connected to it. And when we grasp that and we start to recognize and grow an awareness of that, then it's not coming from lack, it's coming from a place of fullness. And when we come from a place of fullness, we receive. You know, it says in the Bible that to those who have, more will be given, and to those who have not, even that which they have shall be taken. What is that saying? What it's saying is not, if you're poor and you're sick, you're gonna get more sick and more poor because you suck. And if you're really rich, then you're just gonna get more stuff. That's not what it's saying. It's saying if you're in the consciousness of abundance, if you're in the consciousness of abundance, you will recognize, receive, and attract more abundance. Whereas if you're in the consciousness of lack and limitation, you will continue to perpetuate that. Now, prayer for most people is the opposite. There's a Greg Braden, he's an amazing author. He wrote this fascinating book, and in the book he talks about how he went out to spend time with the Native American Hopi chiefs, and when he was out there with them, they invited him to go pray for rain, and they brought him out to a sacred spot on their lands, and they stood there for a moment, and then they said, okay, we're done. Do you want to go get something to eat? And he said, wait, I thought we were gonna pray. And they said, yeah, we're already done. We said, well, how do you pray that fast? Instead, I close my eyes and I step into the reality of the rain already existing, and I give thanks to the God in the universe that we have rain and that we live in an abundant world. I connect to the gratitude of it already existing and communicate my thankfulness to the higher power. And that's what I invite you to try. It's a slight but ever so powerful shift in consciousness coming from please fix me, please help me, please do this thing for me. Hey, are you there? To man, I recognize there's so much abundance in the world, there's so much health in this world, and I recognize I'm an extension and that I come from pure abundance, pure well-being, pure financial success, pure prosperity, pure love. And therefore, I am thankful to be in communion with you, God, universe, to attract more of that and bring and cultivate more of that into my life. Amen. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, inviting you to speak what you desire into existence by recognizing that it's already here. Download my free success hypnosis down below, jakeshypnosis.com, to train your subconscious mind for success, abundance, prosperity. Get rid of the limiting beliefs. Download my free success hypnosis. While you're at it, press the subscribe button right over there. Comment where in the world you're coming from, and if this speaks to you, if you've noticed in your life where you used to use the old separation prayer method and moving into communion with. So have a beautiful day, and I'll see you on the next video.